ka-wellness, alam niyo ba kung paano gawing extra special at puno ng love and magic ang isang masustansya at abot kayang pagkain sa pinakamadaling paraan?
Oo naman! Lalo na ngayon at alam ko na ang mga madiscarded cooking techniques para gawing truly magical ang everyday meal. Salamat kay Tita Maggie at sa kanyang mga magical lessons.
Big check! Perfect for students like us na madiskarte pagdating sa pagkain, yung hindi lang basta masarap pero yung guilt-free din at swak sa budget. Tama ka dyan! Kaya halina't samahan niyo kami sa isang magical na pagluluto. Keep spreading the love, the vibes, and of course, the magic only here with us. I am Keliana Ray.
At ako naman si Angela Lil.
At ako si Mel Gray. At kami ang inyong mga ka-wellness. Tara! Let's make our everyday meal with love and magic!
Bago tayo magsimula sa ating pagluluto, siguraduhin munang nakasuot tayo ng personal protective equipment at ihanda ang mga tools at equipments at mga sangkap nating kailangan. Simulan na natin ang ating pagluluto.
Para sa ating first dish, tropical chicken stuff. Ito ang mga sangkap nating kailangan. First, pat-dry the chicken breast. Cut to make a pocket. Season using our all-in-one seasoning and a bit of paprika. For creamy papaya spinach mixture, in a bowl combine grated papaya, spinach, orange kamote, cheese, egg whites, slurry, all-purpose cream, all-in-one seasoning, at chicken cubes. Mix well hanggang maging smooth and creamy. Next, stuff the chicken with our creamy mixture. Use toothpick to seal the pocket. Brush griller with oil, place the chicken and let cook until golden brown. While waiting na maluto ang ating chicken, let's make our coco creamy sauce. In a pan, saute garlic, then add coconut milk, all-purpose cream, season with all-in-one seasoning, at ito na ang ating tropical chicken stuff with coco creamy sauce.
At para sa ating healthy side dish, veggie crunchy nest.
First, blanch the orange sweet potato, strain and dip in cold water. Do the same for the sitaw. In a pan, add sesame oil and saute orange kamote. Season with all-in-one seasoning, sprinkle with sesame seeds. Gawin din ito sa sitaw at singkamas. Ngayon, let's wrap our vegetables. Soak proper in water, lay it flat on a plate, place lettuce, singkamas, orange kamote, sitaw on top, fold the sides and roll tightly. For the orange kamote puree, combine orange sweet potato, all-purpose cream, and water in a blender. Blend until smooth and velvety. At ito na ang ating veggie crunchiness with orange kamote puree. At syempre, hindi makukumpleto ang ating dish kung wala ang ating green aroma rice. In a pot, cook rice with pandan leaves, tanglad, and pandan extract. Once cooked, transfer the rice to a bowl, add minced spinach, and mix until well combined. And here's our green aroma rice.
And now, let's give ourselves a sweet dessert, a taro banana dragon mousse. Narito ang iba't ibang ingredients natin kailangan sa pagluluto. For the procedure, first, boil the taro, and while waiting na maluto, blend the dragon fruit at ang pandan leaves for the extract and set aside. Then, sa isang food processor, ilagay ang boiled taro, all-purpose cream, gata, and blend. Ihati na din ng taro mixture, ang isa lagyan ng dragon fruit, at ang isa naman ay lagyan din ng pandan extract. To thicken the mixture, melt the batter in a pan. Cook the taro dragon mixture, same thing with the taro pandan mixture until makuha ang tamang consistency. At para mas sumarap ang ating dessert, gagawa tayo ng creamy coco delight. Para makagawa nito, ilagay sa pan ang condensed milk, all-purpose cream, gata, and the slurry. Cook it until thickened. After maluto ang lahat, let us now assemble our dessert. First, for the base, add the crushed ampaw, then pandan taro mixture, sliced banana, and then the taro dragon fruit mixture. Lastly, for the sweetness, add the creamy coco delight. Garnish, and here we have now our vibrant, delicious dessert, the taro banana dragon mousse with coco delight.
Para sa ating pampatid uhaw, Sunset Panda Splash. Eto ang mga sangkap na ating kakailanganin para ihanda ang ating refreshing na palamig. Una, boil watery pandan and tanglad. While waiting to our pandan tanglad mixture to boil, maghiwa ng passion fruit and scoop the pulp. Hiwain at i-mash ang dragon fruit, then set aside. In a jar, ibuhos ang pandan tanglad juice and add nesty powder for some magic. In a glass, layer the mashed dragon fruit and crushed ice. Then, put pandan tanglad nesty mixture. Lastly, maglagay ng passion fruit pulp. At eto na ang ating refreshing sunset pandan splash.
The wait is over mga ka-wellness. We're serving up a guilt-free, budget-friendly meal na siguradong masarap. Say goodbye to greasy food and processed meals. Para sa ating first dish, tropical chicken stuff. A Filipino flavors with a tropical twist. Chicken breast stuffed with a delightful mix of colitas or native spinach, papaya and orange kamote with a creamy mixture. At ito naman ang ating veggie crunchy nut. Fresh, crispy, and delicious na may kasamang orange kamote puree, ang perfect side dish to complement our chicken stock. Serve with green aroma rice, pina-extra special dahil sa pandan leaves and tanglad. Lahat ng ito ay pinasarap gamit ang all-in-one seasoning na nagbibigay market sa ating everyday ulam.
And syempre, dessert time is the best time. Taro banana dragon mousse with crunchy pop rice. Creamy, fruity, and crunchy. Sarap sa bawat kagat, a match made in heaven.
At para sa kapatid uhaw, sunset pandan splash, isang refreshing twist ng passion fruit, dragon fruit, at pandan na mas ginawang espesyal ng nesty. Kaya mga ka-wellness, enjoy every bite of our guilt-free, budget-friendly meal. It is all made with love and magic. Kaya tara na! Tikman na natin!
7 healthy habits. Sama-sama sa wellness. Tara! Sama-sama sa wellness. It's time.